Alright guys, in this video we are going to learn all about JSX. JSX is probably the word you are going to see and hear a lot in the world of React. So it's really important that you understand what is JSX and why it is used. Alright, let's begin then. JavaScript XML or JSON is an extension to the JavaScript language syntax. With the React library, it's an extension to write XML like code for elements and components. And just like XML, JSX tags have a tag name, attributes, and children. Now, why do we need JSX? Well, the truth is JSX is not a necessity to write React applications. You can definitely use React without JSX, but JSX makes your code simpler and elegant. As you might have already seen, it provides a syntax which is familiar to many developers. JSX ultimately translates to pure JavaScript, which is understood by the browser. So we talked about what is JSX and why do we use it. But how does it work behind the scene? What does the code look like without JSX? Let's take a look at that in the next video.